Hello, it's Dan Tapazio from Longevity Labs. Today I'm going to do a little science demonstration. I have here a Crookes radiometer, named after the inventor, not a bunch of criminals. And basically the Crookes radiometer shows the power coming from light by the speed that it spins. So I'm going to show you, first is one of these typical panels that you would see at a standard spa or wellness center where they hang it on the wall and you sit, a foot or two away from it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up about a foot away from the radiometer, and then I'm going to turn the light on and we'll see how fast this thing spins. All right, here we go. So we are 1 foot away from the radiometer, and it doesn't look like it's moving at all. Let's see how close we have to get. Let's go to 6 inches. So that's about 6 inches, and as you can see, it is starting to move just a little bit. Yeah, just barely moving along there. Just nice and slow. And let's get right on top of it there. And yeah, I'll even angle it for you. Yeah, it's still moving pretty slow. So that means that this panel, while it does give off a little bit of energy, it's not that strong. All right, and if I pull it back in and we wait long enough, it'll just stop spinning again altogether. And there it went. Okay, so now we're at the Longevity Labs red light bed, the Therolight Fit. And I'm going to show you the energy produced by this bed compared to the panel using the Crookes radiometer. And of course, as always, safety first. This bed is very bright. I'm going to turn all of the lights on at the first, and then actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the visible light off so that you can see that even with just the infrared light, it puts out substantially more power than that panel there. All right, here we go. And hopefully you can see that radiometer as it's starting to spin. And of course, if I close the lid a little bit, it'll start to spin even faster. It's cranking along pretty good now. You can see there's substantially more power from these lights than from the small panel. All right, so it stopped spinning again, and I've got the red visible light turned off. We're just going to do near infrared now, and we'll see if this thing spins even when you can't see the light. Here we go. And again, safety first. Okay, the light is on, even though you can't see it. And you can see the radiometer spinning now. It's not magic. There's no batteries, no motors. It's just spinning on the power of the infrared light coming from this bed. And again, if I close the lid a little bit, it should start to spin a little bit faster. See that? I guarantee it's not a magic trick. If you want to see it for yourself, book a free tour and consultation on longevityLabsLLC.com, and I will show it to you in person.